Hello guys, here we have a 2002 Dodge Ram 3500. Beautiful truck, government owned all its life, with the legendary 5.9 liter turbo diesel Cummins engine, automatic transmission, only 170,000 original miles. Super clean truck, South Florida owned all its life. Let's take a look around. Body's in excellent condition all around, and we'll take a close look at the truck. There's no chips on the windshield. Tires are in good condition. Undercarriage has no rust issues whatsoever. It's got brand new chrome wheel simulators. Interior's clean. There's no cracks on the top dash here. They're legendary for the top cracking. No cracks. Super clean truck, inside and out. It's got a nap height, 9-foot bed. No rust issues whatsoever. Lots of storage space. Rear wheels are in great condition. This truck came like this from the city for security purposes. This bar here, I'll show you. Bring it down and you can lock your tools safely and put a lock there, and nobody can open your boxes. It's got a tow hitch, clean bed. It's got the light bar on top. Rear tires inside are good. Solid on this truck. Body's in great condition, guys. Just back up so you can see the truck. If you have any questions or you'd like to make any offers on this 2002 Ram 3500 utility truck, you can give me a call at 561-400-4556. This is truly a hard truck to find, and they won't last, guys. My number is 561-400-4556. Don't miss out on this beauty.